Morning everyone, welcome back to Vlogmas. It is 7 o'clock in the morning right now. It is early. Bella is not letting me sleep. So I thought, what a better time to come into my beauty room, wrap the presents, and get this room clean. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Yeah, I say this every day, but today I really want to get a lot of stuff done. So, since it's so early in the morning, hopefully I will get a lot done. Right now, I'm going to wrap presents and get this beauty room cleaned, finally, today. Cross your fingers, and hopefully I will be able to get it done. It is 12:30 right now. My cousin and them are going to be here at 1:30. So I have 1 hour to get my house completely cleaned. I have to make the sugar cookies, which I'm going to do right now. And then I would like to get my hair done and my makeup. So I have 1 hour. Let's hope we can get it all done.
Snow is set to fall today. It comes to say that Christmas is on its merry way. And for every single child, there's a gift on Santa's sleigh. The first flake of snow to fall today. The first snow this winter is promised for this day. It brings a hope of peace, both near and far away. It says we can live together and that we can find a way. The first snow this Christmas is promised for this day.
One batch of cookies came out and the second batch is in there right now. They have 1 more minute and then the cookies will be done, which is a good thing. I tasted part of the cookie and it tastes so good. So I feel like that's gonna be a success, hopefully. Now I want to go and throw in our supper. Chris sent me a TikTok of this crock pot chicken pot pie stuff. So I'm gonna do it because it looked good and I have all the ingredients to do it. So let's go and throw supper in the crock pot. So then after they leave, after my cousin and her kids, leave after we're done decorating cookies, then supper should be done. So then I don't have to worry about supper. I love meals in the crock pot. So let's do that right now.
While the snow is gently falling, we keep busy until late, 'cause tomorrow keeps on calling, and the red man will not wait. So we better get to move on. Let's bring on the evergreens. Keep the chimney clean, you know what I mean, 'cause tomorrow is the day. I can hear the sleigh bells ringing, how they're headed for our house, and the radio keeps singing what the season's all about. From upstairs we hear the laughter from the ones that waited long.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down, and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas.
Okay, so I got my makeup on. The sugar cookies are ready to be decorated. I bought some really cool things. I don't know if I showed you guys, but I bought this. It's a snowman little kit. So it has like the eyes, the bow tie, the buttons, the carrot, and then some other stuff in there. So you can build your own snowman. So I thought that was cool. And then I got some sprinkles. These are like ones that we already had. And then I picked these up too. Yeah, so we got the cookies there. I turned on all 3 of my Christmas trees. That one and that one. They're all on. The kids are on their way home. The 3 kids went to their grandma's house, or actually not to their grandma's. They went over to their grandma's, and then they went out to eat and stuff. So they're on the way home right now. Mandy called me. Mandy said that she's leaving Walmart and they're heading over here. So yeah, I'm not sure how much I will be able to vlog while they're here, but I will try.
Alright, Maria, just want to let you know I did not look this time.
Is that?
I know it's Miracle. Mine.
I didn't use
whipping
cream. Heavy whipping cream in mine.
Oh, yeah?
What's what? Abby, did you make this?
Yes.
I tried to get some.
I keep blinking.
Mom, you gotta come over.
Mommy, I'm making it look like waves are happening.
Yeah.
Okay, it's not Mommy, I'm gonna try it. Hopefully it doesn't break this.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face. And later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day. A Merry Christmas.
Oh my god. They're going fast, Mandy.
Hold on, let's see them go. Oh no!
Oh yeah. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as we walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day.
Mama's done. Mama made it.
Oh.
I am so tired right now. It is 7:45. I have to edit the video from yesterday because that still needs to go up, and then I'm gonna edit this video, possibly edit a couple more videos just so I can get them off this SD card. Oh, it's been a long day. The house is clean though, so that's good. And it was a pretty fun day. So let's edit the videos. So I got the video edited and I'm uploading it right now. It says that there are 32 minutes left and then it will be uploaded. So I have to do the thumbnail for that. I forgot to take a picture, so when I forget to take a picture for the thumbnail, I just go and take a picture of like something Christmassy in my house, or I look at my pictures that I have on my camera on my phone, and then I just pick one of them pictures off and use one of them. But I think I'm gonna let you guys go and end this vlog so then I can get some sleep, because tomorrow, guess what people, it's going to be a busy day again. It's going to be a busy one again. I have to go with my mom and run some errands in the morning, and then I will be coming back, and then we have to get the beauty room cleaned, because like I said in like every single vlog for like the last week that I want to get this room cleaned. Well, I have to. Christmas it's gonna be here before I know it, so I have to get this room cleaned. And I would like to also check off a couple more things on my list. I will be doing a giveaway tomorrow, because I gotta look at the whole giveaway thing and see how many more I have to do, and then I need to get the rest of them shipped out to people, and I need to pick winners for a couple of them, because I think that the time like the giveaway ended and I need to pick a winner. So Vlogmas is hard. I have to tell you guys, it is really hard. When people say that it's so like Vlogmas like gives them anxiety and it's a lot of work, it really is a lot of work. But yeah, so I'm gonna end this vlog here. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.